Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can download a Google slide as a PDF. The first thing we wanted to do is open the browser. So this is set for the browser. You can come here and right click, but I have it right here in the taskbar. I'm going to click on it. Alright, so when you sign in, you're going to click right at this 9 dot here. Then you're going to scroll down, and this is the self with the drive. Right, so when you click on the drive, you're going to take you directly into the drive. So if and when you have a Google slide, I want to download it in PDF, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. Right, so no need to worry. Right, so I'm just giving it that time. All right, I'm going to come right here. As you can see right here, this itself is Google slide. Yes, but you want to download it as a PDF. The first thing you want to do is to double click on it and open it. Yes, you're going to double click on it, you're going to open it. Right, so remember, this is a step by step lesson in order for you to do it. Right, so notice this is self at the beginning right here, and if you notice over here, this is where the rest of the slide will actually appear over on this side. Right, so very important. Right, so now as it come up now, notice up here over here we have file, we have edit, we have view, we have insert, we have format, we have slide, we have arrange, tool. But what we want to focus on is this here, which is file. So I'm going to click on the word file. So when I click on the word file, you notice which is share, which is open, new, import, make a copy, email, download, right, make it visible, version, rename, move, add to shortcut, drive, and all of that. But what you want to focus on is download, right? You download this Google Slider to PDF. So you're going to put it right here, download. You notice when I put it right here, download. Notice this is PowerPoint right here. So you see other document here, and this itself is PDF. So I'm going to click on the PDF. So when I click on the PDF, right over here, notice immediately right here, say download as a PDF right here. Good. So that's exactly how you can actually download it as a PDF. So in case if you missed a step a while ago, just come right here as file. You're going to come all the way to your download, and let us come across here, and this is it right here is PDF. You just click on it just like that, and when you click on it, there you go, downloading. So if you have learned something from this video here, just give it a thumbs and just write a comment and also share it to your friend, so the friend problem can actually solve this here. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.